In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your view settings in Microsoft Outlook by adjusting the zoom level while composing a new email. This may sound like a small trick, but it can significantly improve your email composition experience, especially if you find yourself squinting at the screen or if your display settings make text appear too large. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open your Microsoft Outlook application. If it's set up as your default email client, you can find it easily from your Start menu or as a shortcut on your desktop. It's the icon with the blue envelope, and once you click on it, you'll be taken directly to your Outlook home screen. This is where you can see your inbox, sent items, and other folders. Now, it's time to start composing a new email. Make sure you're on the Home tab. This is typically the first option on the top menu, and it contains many of the tools you frequently use. Look for the New Email button in the upper left corner of the screen. Go ahead and click that button. This action will open a new window where you can begin to write your message. You'll notice you have a blank canvas to enter the recipient's email address, subject line, and of course, the body of your email. Once you're ready to adjust the text size as you compose your message, turn your attention to the Format Text tab. You'll find this among the various tabs at the top of the window. Clicking here will reveal a range of formatting options that allow you to customize how your text looks. Within this tab, find the Zoom button. It's located in the Zoom Group section. Clicking this will open a dialog box with options to zoom in or zoom out your email view. If the text size isn't quite right, you can increase it for better readability by selecting a higher percentage or decrease it if you need to see more of your email content at once. It's all about finding what's comfortable for you, and there you have it. Once you have your desired zoom level set, continue composing your email as usual. When you're finished and satisfied with your message, go ahead and click Send. This zoom setting won't affect how your email is viewed by the recipient, but it will certainly make your composition process much smoother on your end. We hope this step-by-step guide helps enhance your email composition experience in Microsoft Outlook. It's a simple adjustment, but one that can make a world of difference. Thanks for watching this quick tutorial, and be sure to check out our other guides to make the most out of your tech tools.